Well, we all realize that I think women make quite a large portion of the smallholder farms, and in the Caribbean they are organized through the CANRO, and Carmen is the president of that association. So can you share with us in terms of what Jeff was just saying, how being organized through your group has helped smallholder farmers to connect to markets and negotiate better?
The name of our group speaks volume. It can be an advantage or disadvantage. Rural women. Rural women, sometimes you look at them as a rural mindset, and so we are left behind. But rural here really pertains to location, and they make major contribution unrecognized to food resilience, food and nutrition security. And so with food and nutrition, the rural women producers, they have maintained the production of locally produced foods, and it's the same locally produced foods that they feed their children on, and the same foods they market. They process those same foods, and to a small extent, they market the processed foods. Thereby contributing greatly to the health of the nation. If we compare the nutritional health of the rural women children and those of urban areas, you will see a marked difference in terms of their health style, because the rural women children maintain locally produced foods as opposed to the highly commercialized foods. And that's our way forward, and that's why we have the problems that we are trying to eradicate right now. However, our growth has been slow, again because of the negative part of being rural. We did not receive the kind of support that we were expecting. The organization is in existence for about 19 years now, from 1999. And 99, that's you see, about 15 years. But it is only now that we are getting to the level where we're supposed to be, because we are now getting external support. Rural women need people to stand in the gap and get their assistance so that they can help to fulfill government policy as it relates to food and nutrition security. Eat what you produce, grow and process what you produce. And there's where we need to focus and give them some more attention. We exist in 12 Caribbean countries, with the exception of Haiti, soon to become a member, Belize, and the Dominican Republic right now. But all other chapters, they are into farming, processing, and craft using just local items. Many of the groups cannot support themselves because of economic situation. Presently, our problem is with networking, and we are grateful to CTA that came on board recently to assist us with a knowledge management platform that will help us not only in networking, but also in marketing and other areas of communication that we need to take our organization to a higher level. We can feed our school children because we'll feed them only what is local. As a teacher, there are many students who don't know local foods. Only a few weeks ago, I was introducing the use of plantain flour and flowers to produce items to replace the use of wheat flours. And the students, they were not uproar, saying, yes, plantain flour, banana flowers, but these are the things that we need to introduce to replace the importation of the other products that we can produce right in the Caribbean.